To use instance create layer in GameMaker, you're going to want a trigger for instance create layer, and you're also going to want an object to spawn. In my code here, I've got my step event, and I'm going to put in a trigger, which will be when the up arrow is pressed. So when up arrow is pressed, I'm going to make it so that it creates a metal pipe object at x, y. X, y would currently be where the player is, since it's under the player object, but I'm going to change that to anywhere I want, so I'm going to make it at 60, 60. So when up arrow is pressed, it's going to spawn a metal pipe object at 60, 60. So now if I run it and press up arrow, you can see a metal pipe spawns at 60, 60. If I press the up arrow again, it's actually going to be creating more metal pipes under this one, or on top of it, but it's just in the same place, so it looks like there's only one.